J-Love, baby.
This wonderful, cute, blinged out centerpiece tray for my coffee table. If you're interested in watching, stay tuned. I had a few pieces of wood around my house, and so I decided to do something with it. As you can see, I'm putting these dots up here because those are going to be the places where I actually put my screws through. And I should have been using something a little bit longer, a longer drill bit, but I used what I had. And as you can see, I'm screwing those pieces together one by one, making sure I pre-drill because that's very essential. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I flip the thing around and I'm doing the same thing. As you can see here, I'm really drilling down, just showing you how I make these holes because my drill bit is a little short. Next step is to paint it with some metallic silver. I used two coats. The first coat I let dry for about an hour or so. Then I came back and I painted it again. Once I got it the way I wanted it to look, I went and got this bling wrap from Michaels, which saved me a lot of time because it's a really big roll to work with. I kind of cut it to fit, and what I started to do is glue it from the inside out, and I use some of the fix all from Dollar Tree to give it a longer set, but to give it a permanent and an immediate stick, I use the hot glue gun. As you can see, I'm putting the fix all over. I should be using my stick to spread it, but for time's sake, this is what's going on. But anyway, as you can see, I'm working my way around, got my hot glue going, and I use my scissors to lay it down because some areas are hotter than others, and I wanted to be able to get around it as fast as possible to get it done. Period. As you can see, I'm very detail oriented, so I wanted you to see the whole perimeter. Now, what I would have done differently for the perimeter, I would have taken this piece from one side all the way to the inside, all the way down, because I had to go in and add some pieces because I did it halfway, and you'll see what I mean on the inside. Like right here, it's halfway done. I would have taken it all the way down, but either way, it came out cute. So I'm still adding the fix all and adding my hot glue. And once I got in a little bit of a better groove, I was able to get around the project much faster. As you can see, I have my wine in the back. It took some time to complete this project. And this is just me cutting it and fitting it to the short side of the box. As you can see, I have a gap right there, but it's okay because everything is silver. It's going to blend in and I'm going to be able to cover it. You can fill that hole in, but for this project, I didn't do it. As you can see, I'm starting with the hot glue on this side, working the opposite way. I'm going up, and I added the fix all and then I'm going to come back in with the hot glue to make it adhere immediately, well, much faster than the other glue. Then I'm cutting because those are the ones I'm going to fold to the inner piece. And I'm just going to glue it down, use my scissors to lay it down. Then I'm going to go in and cut my pieces to where I can go ahead and finish the inner part and go all the way around. And then it's important to also fill in any kind of gaps that come in between those two pieces, as you will see on this video. And as you can see, this is the finished product of how the box is looking. Now what I did, I used a foam board and I traced around the outside, and then I laid my silver shiny piece on the inside of it by measuring that square. So basically I went around the perimeter and I traced on the inner part of the perimeter. Then I'm going to place it on to see how it fits. And after that, I'm going to use the same Fix-All glue. This is some E6000 that I had, and I just kind of spread it out. I had to cut it open, did what I had to do. Use my little popsicle stick to smooth everything out. Then I'm going to run across it with some more glue, and I'm going to lay it down. Because it's so heavy, it's going to basically adhere, and I left it for 24 hours. and I went around the bottom part, the white part, with some more bling to finish the look. And that's the finished product, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you guys next time. Please don't forget to check us out on all social media platforms.